Well, the garage project is coming along well. Today we put the security lights up here, surveillance camera, motion lights inside the garages. We also organized the ladders a little bit. A nice place for them now and not hanging around under the deck. Of course, this is work in progress over here. We've got one of our rafters up here, or floor joists, I should say. I'll be putting another one here and here for this side. Be able to put the kayaks up there and such. On this side, we will be putting oak boards all the way up, all the way through. And that way there we can access it from this side over here. And that will be all storage up there. Coming along. Still need to put my ridge cap in. The roof was damp this morning and a little slippery. Oh yeah, we got the door in also. This is a recycled door from the house. We put the kitchen on, we put a slider in. And we got this side kind of wrapped up. Got the door cased in. She's coming along. I still need to put my boards up here, cover these purlins up, and we finally picked out a stain for these boards. It's basically a natural. Everything else we tried was too dark. So gotta do a little more burn on this one. And the spring will seal those up. So the final dimensions are with 12 feet opening, 20 feet deep, 12 feet on both sides. And eventually we'll be getting garage doors for at least one side. I'm thinking leave this one open, garage door this one, so we can put a vehicle in there. Finish this wall across here. And this will be a nice bay to pull the tractor, cars, do maintenance, or just park the vehicles at night. And of course, this one here gives access to my little workshop where all the tools are. Thanks for watching. LifeInTN.